shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty. Go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag. Okay, shorty, 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 okay, shorty. Go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl OohlaLa'Cheri, and I'm back with another video. And today I am going to be doing a review and an unboxing, I guess, of this Pretty Queen deep wave iron. It's 1-inch barrels, and I mean, I want the old school crimps, but not like hard and spritzed up like we used to do it. So I'm just opening this now. I ordered it off of Amazon. It wasn't expensive at all. And it came packaged like this. So there's a power. Oh, there's a temperature. Up and down, a power, and a little screen. I'm hoping there's a light indicator to let me know when it's ready. And I don't know. I'm just excited because I love deep wavy hair, but I want it to like look more like a natural wave instead of a forced wave. Okay, so I just plugged it up and immediately it's lit up. I don't know if you can see. It says off, so that's a good thing. And now that I turned it on, it starts at 180 degrees. Uh-oh, is it going up? Oh, there's a countdown for when it's ready, so that's dope. 180 is definitely not gonna work for me, so oh, 210 is the highest. We don't love that. Like, I am gonna do my entire head. I don't think I'm gonna show everything, but I will come back to show the ending results. It has the stand here. I was gonna call it a kickstand, but clearly it's not what it is. So it doesn't burn up your shit that's on your vanity. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is already washed and blown out. And we're gonna see how this thing works. There's no smoke though. Like usually, I don't know. Oh, is it counting down? Like, what the hell is happening here? Oh, I see what happened. It lets you know what temperature it's at, and then it counts up to show you. Can you see that? So it's going up to the desired temperature. So that's a plus. And I just moved everything out of the way, including my comb. So I guess I will just do it this way without a comb. It doesn't have to be like an exact part. It's a freaking crimp, so we'll see. I wonder if you do it this way or that. It doesn't grip it tight by itself. I literally had to like move the thing down. Oh, she's smoking. And then you just go back in the crimp. Yo, I think I'm gonna like it. I mean, I definitely need a comb. Wait, I can't tell where the other one is. I'm probably going over the same one again. Okay, so I'm prepared now. Got my utensils. I have hair clip. So I'm going to do it right. I just thought I was just going to try it out, and I didn't expect it to be like super cute. So let me see. Yeah, so I don't like the fact that it doesn't automatically clamp. Like, my thumb is holding down the clip thing. I don't know what it's called. I was going to say clamper, but I'm sure that ain't a word. So I don't know what it is. Okay. So it holds it together on the thinner parts of the hair. So maybe I should just do, I don't know. I don't think I need to do smaller pieces. Okay. Let's see. Yes, honey. What? I wonder if maybe I should have done it the other way so it doesn't have that crease at the top. I don't know. I ain't mad at it though. Okay, I'm doing this bass backwards because why wouldn't I have started at the bottom? Okay, let me start at the bottom so that I can go the other way. Okay. Oh, is this the right way? That is not. Okay, so it's going to take some getting used to, obviously. But yeah, maybe it's just when it's closer to your scalp, it's harder to close because I don't know why. Because what? I don't know what I was even about to say. Okay. Ow. Ow. See, I'm not going nowhere, which is why I'm probably not doing it as neat as I should. You start getting the hang of it, try to go faster. And that might not be a good idea. It's giving a good shine too, which I can appreciate. I didn't put anything else on my hair since I washed it, so. If you watch any of my other videos, you probably know that I don't really use a lot of product. I don't like heavy, flat hair. Baby. I don't know why it does that. Like when it's close to the scalp, it doesn't like latch tight enough for me. Maybe I'll try to just not press it and see what happens. Okay. I feel like I'm real close to the camera. Like y'all getting a whole lot of face. I mean, I'm going to speed this up so y'all won't see how long it takes in real time. But for real, it is not taking me long at all. Like, I don't mind it at all. I'm almost done with half of my head. And I'm sure it's been less than 10 minutes since I started. I don't know what I would do to the front, considering the fact that I need bayang. Like, I have to cover up a portion of this forehead some kind of way. All right, this is the final look. Get into it. So yeah, I definitely love this. It added some extra shine. This side is cuter, of course, because I took smaller portions and I know what to do next time. But my hair is like bouncy still. It's shiny. It's straight. The ends don't even look bad. So I love this. If you guys want to see more reviews and unboxing tutorials, please come back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the post notification bell. And I will be back again soon.